Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design and today I am setting up my planner for September. Now I'm not going to do a full switch up of everything. I've put in September in here in my catch-all, my wellness and my journal because I'm going to do a whole planner refresh in fall when fall hits because you know I like spooky season. So I'm just going to do my pre-planning for September. That's my plan for today. So I've got my goals here already in. I've already done those. I've got a couple of stickies already in. Got my phone to one side. I've got stuff here. So what do we need? What I thought was, because I redate this and the month here will be Monday for me, which is going to be the Monday, I didn't want to put the first down here. So what I'm going to do is put a box in here and this will be the first. I've done this before. It's a good hack if, you know, you just want to hack. Just put a monthly box in there and that will be one little word there. And then we've got Labor Day. I've already put Labor Day in. The 4th is PKD Day. That is the kidney disease that I have. The 8th will be a Sunday. That will be our anniversary. Can't believe, I can't spell apparently right now. I can't believe it's going to be 26 years. That is insane. The 12th will be my sister-in-law's birthday. And then the 14th will be my nephew's birthday. And then we have the one little word mid-month on the 15th. And, oh, Labor Day is also a new moon. No, okay. And 17th is my Planet Fitness subscription. 21st is my parents' anniversary. I've said this before, but I get months where there's everything happens in one month and then other months where nothing happens. I've got fall in already. The 25th is a weird day. It's Wednesday, but that is my swim challenge day. I'm going to put it in here. That is going to be my challenge. The 27th is, oh, hang on, I've forgotten the full moon again because I had a little sticky already and I've been trying to reuse these stickies. 17th full. 27th is our Yankeeversary. In case you're wondering what a Yankeeversary is, that is the day that I became a US citizen. Then the 30th, the Monday, will be my aunt and uncle's anniversary. There we go. Okay, so the only things that I need to put into my wellness planner are the full and the new moons, which are the 2nd. And I've done the same thing. I've done the same thing like the month. I'm going to put the monthly one there in the sidebar. And then the 17th. 2nd is new. 17th is full. And then we are good. Beautiful. That's the only things that I need. And then when I do my monthly, these will go into my weeklies so that I don't forget anything. All right. So what are we going to pre-plan with? We've got the challenges. The challenges for September, I will put on the screen here, but they are using teacher books or using letters, jewel tones, scallops, and then the technique is stencils. Or again, letters. So monthly for, hang on, let me check my divider. I've got fruits and vegetables. I'm going to use Dollar Tree fruits and vegetables because I've got some that are the same as this, just with faces on. I'm going to use those. And maybe productivity or something as well. But Dollar Tree fruits and vegetables. This is going to be, I'm going to say the mega holiday. Because I want to decorate this bit with stuff, but fall themed. because we've got the first day of fall themed. Then we've got PKD Day, which I traditionally do a layout for. I might do it in this one. I might do it in my wellness. I'm not sure yet, but let's put that down. PKD. And the color for PKD is teal. So I'm just going to do a teal themed spread, which coincidentally is also jewel toned, kind of. The 9th, we've got Dot Day. I'm going to do the scallop challenge. Oops. And Dot Day is on the 15th. I had a whole video on how to use dots and stuff like that, and I will leave that here, but that's just going to be dots. We're going to do a heavy dot themed spread. The week of the 16th, not sure yet. Oh, that's the in between. Hang on. Week of the 16th. I'm not sure yet. And then the week of the 23rd, because our Yankiversary, I'm going to do USA theme. Probably a seasonal book or something. Yankiversary. Yes. And then I know I need more Post-its. I've run out of stickies. I've got something to do here. I might do, oh, this is the fall week. I might do Mickey and Minnie seasonal, because I've got the fall on the 21st. Yes, I want to do that. Mickey and Minnie seasonal. And then I know I've got October in here. Let's ignore that. There's a little bit of adhesive there from something. It's annoying. Okay. And then for my wellness, well, here we're clearly going to do some kind of apples. I'm going to say a teacher book, which will be in theme with apples, and the Planner Stash Challenge. Let's do apples to match that divider. Here, I was feeling Let Your Heart Wander, but I'm going to say I kind of want something swim themed. But then I've also got daisies down here. Again, I will not be buying another seasonal planner. I love the dividers. The dividers are chef's kiss. But can you stop putting things down the freaking spine? I'm going to say daisies of some shape and fashion. And you try and get in with the daisies in here. I don't know where that's coming from. My immediate thought is it Stronger Together? No. Girl Power? Something has daisies, but I also feel that I've used them. I do have Reenie's daisies. I'm going to put question mark, and that'll be for that. And I do have my goal of swimming 1 mile. I'm up to 1,300 right now, and 1,400 should be next week, and a mile is 1,750, so I'm almost there. All right, and then this is the one that I could do teal day for PKD. What challenge have I not done? Teacher book, we've got jewel tones, scallops we've done, stencils. I don't feel like doing stencils in this. I don't feel like doing stencils, period. But the other thing that I wanted to use was Socialite, because it has some boxes that would be perfect. I'm going to put it in. Oops. I can't spell it. Socialite, question mark, or PKD. In case anything else exciting pops up. All right. This one will be a throwback and the Scooby-Doo day. Scooby-Doo day is on the 13th, and that will be a printable. And I will just make my own stuff for that. I might do small. Last time I did it in my dashboard, so I'm doing it in the vertical. I use this functionally, so I might just use smaller ones than I normally would, or I'll put them in the boxes and stuff like that. Yeah, printable. And then, again, it is fall. I'm thinking squad. the fall squad, question mark. And then for here, I need something. My brain is going, let's just do apples, because that's all I can see, and daisies. I might do the, thinking yellow, and Feels Like Sunshine comes to mind. I don't know why. And we try and capitalize on the yellow there. Okay, then for my journal. This will get stuck together. First week in my journal, I'm gonna do, and this is where it might kind of flip around and stuff like that, hot air balloons. Now, I know that seems rather random, and it might be Reenie's. Reenie has a printable question mark. Our anniversary is this week, and we got married in a hot air balloon, so that would make sense. Okay, this is Fall Astronomy Day on the 14th. 14th is Fall Astronomy Day. I'm either going to use the Free Spirit, or if I could spell it, or the Zodiac book. Something like that. Because the Free Spirit has the things, the astronomy things. You know, the things. The star clusters. I can't think what they're called right now. I've got nothing. And then for the week of the 16th, it's Indoor Plant Week. I'm going to use the Recollections book. And then for the last week, as we head into October, what I might do is I'm going to put stencils and grabby. Do a junk journal spread. And printables, probably. I talked about using those before, but I think that is my pre-planning. And I don't have to keep to these. I can change my mind if I want to. And then for my faith journal, you'll notice that I have not printed out a monthly. Because, my friends, I have not bloody used it. I printed out August, decorated it, and then I started filling it out. I did 2 days. I backfilled all of this, and then I've not done this week, and I'm like, I'm not doing it. I have not used this page either. The new moon, the full moon, and the star sign changeover I use. The rest I don't use. Okay, so that goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That goes in there as well. Okay, there we go. That is that set up. I just need to find my whiteout and white out these days. I am having trouble spelling today. Free Spirit. Free Spirit. And then that will be it. That is that done. And that is my planner setup done for September. So yes, all right. Again, this just took like 15 minutes to just do a little bit ahead. Again, I can change my mind if I want to, but it just saves me from opening my planner and then going, I don't know what I want to use out of the 100 and odd, probably close to 200 sticker books that I have right now. But yeah, I'm hoping to get some stickers used in September, like big time. And October will just be Halloween. My setup for October is just going to be Halloween, 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 Halloween. Literally, Halloween, all the time. So yes, all right. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.